Okay, so there is a software upgrade available for the JBL XTREME 2. So I want to install that today, and I'm also going to show you how this is done. So at first we need the JBL Connect app on your phone. So you find that in the App Store or the Play Store. And after you install that and you've started it, then you will see here in this initial screen that you have the JBL XTREME 2 connected. And down here by this gear icon you'll see this little orange dot. That means that there is a firmware upgrade available. So we go into the settings, and here it's giving us some more information about the upgrade. And so we confirm that we would like to upgrade, and now it is telling us to plug in the XTREME 2 into a power source. And so of course we do so before we continue. And now, as you probably know, as soon as you start charging, the charging LEDs in the front of the speaker will start blinking, considering the charging status. And also here in our Connect app, it will allow us to continue with the upgrade process, and we do so. And now what happens, the phone is going to download the firmware upgrade, and as soon as that is done, it's going to install this on the speaker. This will take a couple of minutes, so you want to make sure that you keep the phone close to the speaker and you don't want to use it otherwise while you're doing this. Same for the speaker, a little bit, I don't touch it. And now let me fast forward this quite a bit, so you will not look at this for a couple of minutes without anything happening. So now this will go up to 100%, and at that point the speaker is going to shut down for a little bit. It's basically rebooting, so it's shutting down and then it restarts immediately. And after that, the application is hopefully letting us know that this upgrade was successful. And you can see this here. You get the confirmation, upgrade successful. And then now let us go back here to the initial screen, and we go back to the settings where we can check the current version. We go in here into the info button in the upper left corner. Alright, here, and we see now the new firmware version for this JBL XTREME 2 speaker. Alright, so I hope this video was helpful, and if you have any questions then leave a comment below, and don't forget to like and subscribe.